everybody. This morning we were outside installing some garden edging, and we put the stuff up against the edge of the driveway, so one side of it's got cement on it. The other side we're going to backfill with dirt. So we did that. We used a hammer and this piece of 2x4, still got the dirt on it. And to compress the dirt so it held the edging against the side of the cement, we'd hit this, move it over, hit this again, move it over. A lot of pounding there, getting a little tired of that. We still have some more to do. So I had this idea that we could make it a lot easier by using this. Now this thing is one of those very inexpensive air hammers, and it came with some punches like this, but it's really easy to make these things up. All you have to do is copy the sizes here, the length, the size here around 5/8 of an inch or so, and then the rest of this, it doesn't matter. That's whatever you want to use for your adapter for whatever it is you're doing. So that's what I had done here. I used a piece of water hardening drill rod. Now the only place I actually hardened this was right at the end here. Made that hard. Didn't want it to mushroom and stick in the gun. And we're going to take it outside and let you have a look at exactly how well this works. It is fantastic and so easy.